Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable night light in Asus VivoBook. And to do this we'll need to click on Start, then go through the settings and find System. Here make sure that you're in the display options and you'll be able to enable or disable night light like that. Or you can go for nightlight settings, adjust the strength level of a nightlight feature, and also you can schedule it for a specific time of a day, like sunset to sunrise in your time format, or you can set the hours manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.